Hi everyone, I'm Joseph and I'll be presenting our late-breaking results paper entitled On Applicability of Neurolanguage Models for Readability Assessment in Filipino on behalf of my co-authors Michael, Lloyd, Ranz, and Mohammed, and we are from National University, Philippines. So, an overview of readability assessment. This is the process of identifying the level of ease or difficulty of reading materials for children or for any literary pieces. Now, usually, when you perform readability assessment, the output can be in the form of an age or a grade level. And the traditional way of doing readability assessment in the machine learning setting is you have an annotator where you will get gold standard labels for your data. You're going to extract linguistic features such as features related to morphology, syntax, lexical diversity, and so on. And you're going to train a model from that set of features so you can reuse the trained model for processing or identifying the reading levels of new material. Now, the two questions we want to ask for this study is, number one, we want to know if the use of conventional transfer learning setup using language models such as BERT can fare better compared to the traditional setup for Filipino. And the second one is that we want to see if the layer representations of the language model will also fare better compared to the traditional approaches. Now, for the results of the first research question, we can see here that the use of the transfer learning setup with BERT only obtained 0.57 accuracy, which is a little bit lower compared to using models such as logistic regression and random forest with the use of diverse linguistic features that are hand-coded or manually extracted. Now, this may provide a sense that for readability assessment in Filipino, which is our low-resource language, using linguistic features and traditional algorithms for machine learning is still one of the most practical ways to approach the problem. And for the second result, we see here that out of the 12 layers of BERT, only 4 have performed better than most, which are layers 1, 5, 8, and 12. Now, this is a starting endeavor which future researchers can explore on what's behind each layer and why do they perform a little bit better than most in terms of the readability assessment. Now, for the conclusion, for the study, we found out that still using traditional machine learning algorithms and linguistic features still outperform the use of language models such as BERT for Filipino, but we cannot say the same for English. And then using layer-wise sentence embeddings as features is better compared to using the conventional transfer learning approach done in most NLP tasks. Now, you can read the whole paper from the proceedings, but this is just a teaser of our late-breaking results paper, and questions are very much entertained. Thank you very much.